In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make clickable images and items in a Wix Repeater. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to make the change. From your site dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Once you are in the editor, go to the page where you want the repeater to appear. If you have not added a repeater yet, add one to the page first. After that, click on an element inside the repeater. This can be an image, a heading, or a text box. You are selecting the item that will later connect to your content and act as a clickable link. Next, go to the panel on the right and click Add a Dataset. In the Create Dataset window, choose the CMS collection that contains the content for your repeater. If Wix asks for a dataset name, enter one that helps you identify it easily. Then click Create. Link the image to your image field, the title to your heading field, and the description to the matching text field. This makes sure each repeater item pulls in the correct content from your CMS. Now select the image or any other element inside the repeater that you want visitors to click. With that element selected, click the Connect to CMS icon, which looks like a chain link. In the connection settings, find the option called Link Connects To. From there, choose the collection's dynamic item page if you want each repeater item to open its own dynamic page. You can also choose another link field from your dataset if that better matches your setup. If you want more than one element to open the same dynamic page, repeat the same process for each one. You can connect the image, a button, the title, or a text element so that visitors have multiple clickable areas inside the repeater item. When everything is connected, click Preview to test the result. Try clicking each repeater item and confirm that it opens the correct dynamic page. If anything does not work as expected, go back and check the dataset connections and link settings. Once everything is working correctly, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.